Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Rayhan Ali from Bagerhat district under the Khulna division of Bangladesh. I am currently a third year student in the Department of Journalism, Media and Communication at Daffodil International University. I completed my secondary school certificate in 2019 from Rangdiya School and College in Bagerhat, and I later obtained my higher secondary certificate from Khulna Public College. From an early age, I have been passionate about filmmaking and storytelling. This passion led me to pursue higher studies in journalism, media, and communication, a field that allows me to explore and present real life stories through visual expression. During my studies, I have gained hands-on experience by working on various shorts and long documentary projects and collaborating with different news channels. This experience have gained standard and professional skills and broadened my perspective on the media industry. And my goal is to become a film director and visual storyteller dedicated to portraying the realistic inspirations and transformations of our society through the lens of cinema.